The connected car technology is a great thing to have. Car makers in India like Kia, Hyundai and homegrown Tata have all introduced their versions of connected car technology. And in this world of connected cars and connected everything, you are being left behind. But what if I told you you can make your existing car smart by just spending rupees 1499? Yes, you heard me right. Introducing GoConnect OBD by GoMechanic. GoConnect is an AI-powered smart device that plugs into your car, unlocking a host of smart car features such as 24/7 car tracking, geofencing, accident alerts, tow-away alerts, vehicle health report and a lot more. Hey guys, this is Vishal and I welcome you to GoMechanic. In this video, we'll be talking about this smart device which can make any car smart. Yes, any. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that we will be giving away this GoConnect OBD. Want to know the rules of the giveaway? Make sure you watch this video till the very end. So what is GoConnect? GoConnect is your car's smart buddy which can make it complete with safety and connectivity through its AI-driven features. GoConnect can also help you be in touch with your car 24/7. GoConnect takes away all the hassles and provides you with absolute convenience and peace of mind by providing you everything related to your car right on your fingertips. Still not convinced? Let me give you 7 big reasons why you need this device right now. Let's start with compatibility, and by compatibility we mean that you can plug this device into any car that has been manufactured after 2010 and has got an OBD2 port. Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Renault and whatnot. The GoConnect OBD works on absolutely any car's make and model. You just have to plug in the GoConnect device, download the GoMechanic app and secure your car. It's that simple. The GoConnect OBD helps you track your car real time. That's not all. You can also set a geofence for your car. That means you will be alerted when your car enters or exits a particular area through our advanced vehicle tracking solutions. If you are a concerned parent or have loaned your car to anyone, live tracking feature is a must-have. With GoConnect OBD, you can be sure of the fact that your car remains safe and is definitely in the designated area. Did you know you can save up to 25% of your fuel expenses just by driving a little better? This is exactly where GoConnect OBD's driving behavior analysis comes in. AI-based intelligent analysis, GoConnect helps you to be a safer and more responsible driver. Also, if you are a mileage lover, GoConnect also helps you to hypermile, and driving behavior is just the right thing for you. With GoConnect OBD, you will never have to worry about your car being stolen. With the most accurate GPS technology, the GoConnect OBD keeps a track of your car and communicates you everything through the GoMechanic app. Have a look. If you are one of those who parks their car away from their home and want to ensure its safety, GoConnect is definitely the device for you. You can set off hours as per your convenience and GoConnect will alert you every time your car is driven during off hours. GoConnect is your car's doctor, and just like that, it keeps vital car signs like battery level, coolant temperature and engine status in check. GoConnect OBD instantly alerts you whenever it detects a problem before it worsens. With this handy feature, you can avoid sudden breakdowns while you're on a trip. Accident alerts, sudden braking, overspeeding and a lot more. Every crucial alert about your car right on your fingertips. Another really important alert if you stay in a metropolitan area. Using the gyroscope sensors, the GoConnect OBD notifies you every time someone tries to tow your car away. The Smart Alert feature also alerts your emergency contacts when it detects an accident. In case you meet an unfortunate event, it's our duty to ensure that your near and dear ones reach you as early as possible. Fuel prices are all-time high, and now it's time to get thrifty with your car's fuel consumption. Save your hard-earned money with GoConnect's intelligent mileage and fuel analytics. This device even gives you tips on how you can increase your car's mileage. Smart, isn't it? Now you may be wondering how you can buy this GoConnect OBD for your car. Let me help you out. First, open the GoMechanic app, or download the same if you haven't done so. Head to the My Cars section on the app and click on No More, which will redirect you to the product page. Click on Add to Cart and proceed placing your order. That's it, we are done. Post placing an order, our dedicated service buddy will call you to schedule a doorstep or a workshop appointment, and within 5 minutes, this GoConnect OBD will be ready to rock your world. Your car is your life's second biggest investment, and with GoConnect, you can unlock your car's biggest potential. And about the giveaway, let us know in the comment section why you need this GoConnect OBD for your car, and the best answer stands a chance to win. So this was it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new to our channel, and get all the timely updates from Go Mechanic. This is Vishal signing off in this video. See you in another video of Go Mechanic. Have a nice day and happy motoring.